Today, we have something special from the house of Motorola, the brand new Moto Edge 50 Pro. Join me as we dive into the unboxing and first look of this smartphone, packed with innovative features and cutting-edge technology. Unboxing experience. As we open the box, we're greeted with Motorola's signature packaging, eco-friendly and devoid of excessive plastics. Inside, we find the phone nestled snugly, along with a SIM tray tool, some documentation, and a sleek hard-shell case. The phone itself comes in a stunning lavender color, exuding elegance and style, design and build quality. Taking the phone out of the box, the first thing you notice is its premium design and build quality. The vegan leather back adds a touch of sophistication, while the metal frame gives it a sturdy feel. The 3D curved screen enhances the overall aesthetic appeal, making it a pleasure to hold and use. Display. The Moto Edge 50 Pro boasts a vibrant display that delivers stunning visuals. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or playing games, the immersive viewing experience is truly captivating. Colors are rich and vibrant, and the brightness levels ensure visibility even in outdoor settings. Camera. Now, let's talk about the highlight of this smartphone, its camera setup. Featuring a triple camera setup, the Moto Edge 50 Pro is a photography powerhouse. The primary 50MP camera captures every detail with precision, while the 10MP telephoto lens offers impressive zoom capabilities. Additionally, the 13MP ultra-wide lens lets you capture expansive landscapes with ease. Performance. Under the hood, the Moto Edge 50 Pro is powered by a powerful processor and ample RAM, ensuring smooth and lag-free performance. Whether you're multitasking or gaming, this smartphone can handle it all with ease. The user interface is snappy and responsive, providing a seamless user experience. Battery life. With a high-capacity battery and efficient power management, the Moto Edge 50 Pro offers impressive battery life. Whether you're a heavy user or a casual user, you can rely on this smartphone to keep up with your demands throughout the day. And when it's time to recharge, the included 125W charger ensures fast charging speeds, getting you back up and running in no time. The Moto Edge 50 Pro is a true mid-range king, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and innovation. From its stunning design to its powerful camera setup and long-lasting battery life, this smartphone ticks all the right boxes. So if you're in the market for a new smartphone that offers exceptional value for money, look no further than the Moto Edge 50 Pro. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing and first look, and until next time, stay tuned for more exciting tech content.